Okay, so we are trying to figure out which of these statements is true for this scatter plot. Again, the most important thing is to notice the units of your x-axis and the units of your y-axis. So the first statement says 1 orange has a weight of about 2 kilograms. So I'm looking along the x-axis for number of oranges, and I'm going to look at this would be 1, even though it's not labeled. This still represents 1 orange. And if I go up to meet the line, it looks like 1 orange is going to have a weight of less than 1 kilogram. Kilograms being on the y-axis. So 1 orange is still going to fall below weighing 1 kilogram. So the first statement is definitely not true. That would also be a very heavy orange if it weighed 2 kilograms. Okay, second statement says 10 oranges have a weight of about 2.5 kilograms. So again, I'm going to look for oranges along the x-axis. That's 10 oranges. I'm going to go up to meet the point. And it looks like 10 oranges, if I go over to see what value that corresponds to on the y-axis, it's going to fall between 2 and 3 kilograms along the y-axis. So 10 oranges weigh about 2.5 kilograms. That actually seems like a true statement to me, so I'm going to select that one. Let's just quickly test the last one. That one says 2.5 oranges have a weight of about 10 kilograms. So 2.5 oranges, that would be halfway between 0 and 5. So that would be 2.5 oranges here. And that is going to have a weight, again, below 1 kilogram. So definitely will not weigh 10 kilograms. It's going to be below 1 kilogram. So that does not make sense. The second statement is the only statement that is true. Well, I guess it's true that oranges are delicious. But this is the only mathematically true statement. And yep, that is the explanation for this practice problem. Thank you for listening.